Hello! A while back I did a video about Coleman's mustard from Norwich. Notice how I said Norwich. We're going to retry it today with some food right here on So what I have here is I have some half boiled eggs and I've got the yellows. And I'm going to make boiled eggs using Coleman's. And I forgot to open this stuff up, so I threw the knife over here before I started so I would remember, and then didn't do it. So let's just open this up. Somebody suggested I take a big sniff before I start. Okay, there you go. Big sniff. And I'm going to use Japanese mayo, English mustard, and American pickles. Talk about your meeting of the nations. It's like the United Nations on a plate. Yeah, I thought I remembered one of those being in here. So let's open that up. And now, we'll start by smashing these bad boys up. Shouldn't take much. I'm not going to pipe them like I normally do. I'm just going to spoon them into the eggs. So that's not bad. Let's add some mayo. And that's Kewpie mayo. I saw another guy earlier today who was trying Kewpie mayo. I guess he'd never seen anybody else use it. He was calling it Kewpie, which I guess is okay. Alright, so there's the mayo. Now let's go with the Norwich. Is it Norwich or Norwich? I'll probably get a lot of comments from my British friends. Does that look like enough? I think so. Watch this. Yep. It's a little spicy. Mix this in. And now we add the American pickle relish. Okay. So we'll whip this together. Careful, don't want to break the bowl. Now, let's see what we got. I'm going to taste it now. That's not half bad. Seriously. I don't want to double dip. Watch it all come out at once. There. All right. Let me try this one. Ah! Dropped it into stuff. Okay. That's even better. All right. Well, I'm going to go clean myself up and then finish these. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. Click on my little face over here. And we'll see you next time. Bye.